Right now, up to 40% of your energy is going to waste. The trouble is identifying which 40%. Today, we use dozens, hundreds, even thousands of energy-powered items without even thinking. Lighting, air conditioning, escalators, production facilities, conveyors, and refrigeration, just to name a few. Essential equipment, but what do they cost to run? How do you isolate the inefficiencies? How do you reduce your costs and your carbon footprint? Energy management is acknowledged by the experts as the first and foremost important step to eliminating waste. But the fact is, you can't manage what you can't measure. So how do you measure your energy consumption? Most people let their utility company do it for them. They have a meter on the wall and they get sent a bill every month. But there are two big problems with that. Problem number one, the information is not real time. You don't get to find out how much energy you've used today until next month, and by then it's too late to do anything about it. That's like a car that only shows your speed or fuel consumption at the end of your journey. It's ridiculous. You expect real-time information in your car so you can make immediate and effective decisions. So why should it be any different when it comes to the energy in your building? You know, energy must be one of the only things we buy that we don't know the cost of until long after we've used it. And by the way, that meter on your wall is called a revenue grade meter. So is that there to help you save energy or help make them money? I'll let you decide. Problem number two, you get one bill for everything. When the utility bill does eventually arrive, it only tells you how much you've used in total. So if it's higher than you would like it to be, there's no way of knowing why. It doesn't show you which areas of your building are using the most energy or which pieces of equipment are hogging the power. When you get a bank statement or even a telephone bill, the costs are itemized so you can immediately see what money is being spent and take steps to reduce it. So if you want to take control of your energy costs and your carbon footprint, you need to take control of how your energy is measured. You need real-time energy management. Eniscope is a real-time energy management system. It enables you to see exactly what you're spending right now to power your building, and it can also isolate the costs of powering specific areas of your building or even individual pieces of equipment, so you know exactly what your energy is going on and what steps you need to take to reduce it. Eniscope is quick to install and easy to use. We employ highly sophisticated web-enabled metering technology to constantly monitor and record your critical energy points. All you have to do is open up your favorite web browser and you can instantly navigate to the real-time energy consumption of a circuit in your building or a specific application like your air conditioning. The information is real-time, literally by the second, so you can see the effect of the changes you make as you make them. And at the click of a button, you can access the historical consumption of that energy circuit or equipment and use Eniscope's diagnostic software to spot trends and anomalies, eliminate wastage and keep track of your improvements. All your energy information is delivered in beautifully designed interfaces and in a language that you can understand, be it kilowatts, carbon or cost. Suddenly, your energy consumption is visible in real time. You're back in control. You know what you're spending right now, what you've spent so far, and what you're likely to spend this month, and how this compares to previous periods. You can isolate the cost of zones in your building, specific electrical circuits, or individual pieces of equipment, which empowers you to use them more effectively. If you decide to install a timer or a retrofit energy-saving device, or even upgrade a machine to a more efficient model, the Eniscope system will tell you exactly how effective that course of action has been. Plus, the Eniscope system is intelligent. It will alert you when it thinks there's a problem and send you a report to verify your performance. It can even be configured to automatically turn equipment off to save energy or avoid peak demand penalties. An Eniscope system can also power a range of stunning real-time energy displays. These displays can be strategically positioned around your building to create awareness among the occupants as to how energy is being used and provide the incentive to change their behaviour, because the benefits can be seen in real time. And if you have or are thinking about renewable energy solutions such as solar panels or wind turbines, the Eniscope system will soon have the ability to showcase their performance in real time. This is perfect for educational or promotional purposes because it demonstrates visually the effectiveness of alternative power generation, something which, up until now, was difficult to do. We know renewable energy usually involves considerable investment, and our real-time displays ensure that you and the people that use or visit your building can appreciate the benefits of this investment in a highly meaningful and engaging format. So, to summarise, anyone can see the importance of energy management, but you can't manage what you can't measure. Are you still happy to let the utility company do it for you? Are you happy with meters that explain nothing and bills that you don't really understand? Or do you want to take back control of your energy costs and your carbon footprint? If you do, you need a real-time energy management system. In short, you need Eniscope.